Hello students. So the next concept is fast versus slow motion or fast or slow motion. When we talk about the motion or movement of the object, in our mind commonly there comes the terms or which object is move fast or slow. For example, if we take the two cars, this is the car A, this is car B. For example, this is car A, this is car B. Okay. If the car A is moving fast, is it position 1? It moving fast and reaches the position 2. And car B is moves very slow and reaches position 2. So how do we say the car A is moving fast and car B is moving slow? It mainly depends on the distance moved by these two cars in a given interval of time. Remember that. So these two cars will cover the given distance in given interval of time that determines the which object or which car is fast or slow. So say here, if you give the bicycle and car, if you compare the motion or which one is move fast or slow, compare the motion. Okay, so this is the car, this is the bicycle. Okay, bicycle. So see here, if I'll give the 5 minute, and this is the position A, this is the position B. Within the 5 minute, which object will cover this distance? This is the, for example, distance is 10 kilometer. Okay, so which object will cover this distance within the 5 minute? So which one? So we can easily say that car, because car is moving fast as compared to the bicycle. So within the given intervals of time, that is within the 5 minute, car will cover this 10 kilometer. Yes, the bicycle is covered this 10 kilometer, but it takes a more than 5 minute. Okay, more than 5 minute. So that we can say that car is moving fast and bicycle is moving slow. So how do we say that? Just the distance moved by the object. Here the object is car. The car is covered this 10 kilometer in a very short interval of time. Yes, this car will cover this 10 kilometer in a short interval of time. The time is 5 minutes. But bicycle takes a more time to cover this distance. So that we can say that car is moving fast, bicycle is moving very slow, depends on the distance covered by the object in a given interval of time. So when we talk about fast or slow motion, the another one is concept, the speed. Speed is comes. Okay. What is speed? How do we define the speed? Speed means nothing but distance traveled by the object in an unit time. In an unit time is called speed. Remember that speed means distance traveled by the object in an unit time. We can write it as like this. Distance traveled by object in an unit time or in a given time. You can say that in a given time. This is called speed. Okay. The speed is a scalar quantity. Remember that speed is scalar quantity. The scalar quantity means it has only magnitude, no direction. It has only magnitude and no direction. So this is called what? Scalar quantity, and here speed is a scalar quantity. So I will give the one example here. See that. So if you go to the hotel from your home, okay, if you go to the hotel from your home, so this is your home, okay, this is the hotel, this is the hotel, this is your home, okay. Now you start to, now you go to the hotel from your home. The distance between your home and hotel is 10 kilometers, say, okay, 10 kilometer. So now you take the 20 minutes to reach the hotel from your home, okay. You take the 20 minutes to cover this distance. The distance is 10 kilometer. So now how to write the speed? The speed is distance traveled by you, distance traveled by you divided by time. So here the distance traveled is 10 kilometer and time is 20 minutes. Yes. So this is the distance can be represented by which unit? Kilometer. Time is minute. So okay. Now the speed is 10 ones are 10 fives are 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is 0.2 kilometer per minute. The speed is 0.2 kilometer. So this minute is the unit of time. It can also be converted to hour. How to convert it? So minute to hour, very easy. 10 by 20 divided by 60 hour. This is kilometer. Now this one is 10 into 60 divided by 20. Cancelled out. 2 ones are 2 threes are 30 kilometer per hour. So here just we convert the minute to hour. So this is the speed. The speed means distance travelled by an object divided by unit time. That is called speed. Okay.